of living, drifting further apart. What happened to happy ever after? What happened to living like forever young? Seems like we're living in a nightmare. Is this just the start? So hard to read, it's like you're tangled in the lies. You tell me one thing, do another. Tell me where you stand. Tell me what is going on tonight inside your mind. 'Cause this isn't the way that we planned it. We never allowed for a broken heart. This isn't the way that we dreamt of living.